Join me as I dive into the world of gas plants to see if they really hold the key to powering our future. As we look to the future of energy production, gas plants are finding themselves at the center of a heated debate. On one hand, they're a reliable source of power that can meet our immediate energy needs. On the other, their environmental impact is a major concern, with many questioning their role in a sustainable future. The challenges posed by climate change are clear: rising temperatures, more extreme weather events, and a pressing need to reduce our carbon footprint. The problem is, we still need reliable energy sources to power our homes, industries, and economies. This is where gas plants come in. They're being reconsidered as a potential transitional solution. One of the main reasons is that they can provide a steady supply of electricity, which is essential for keeping the lights on and the wheels of industry turning. But can they really be a part of the solution, or are they just a temporary fix? Gas plants work by burning natural gas to produce steam, which then drives a turbine to generate electricity. Compared to other fossil fuels like coal, gas plants have a lower carbon footprint and produce fewer emissions. They're also more flexible than renewable energy sources like solar and wind, which can be intermittent. This makes them a valuable complement to renewables in a balanced energy strategy. For example, gas plants can ramp up or down to meet changes in electricity demand, helping to stabilize the grid. They can also provide backup power when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. One recent case study that's got people excited is the use of gas plants in combination with carbon capture technology. This allows the plants to capture and store their CO2 emissions, rather than releasing them into the atmosphere. For instance, a gas plant in the United States has successfully implemented this technology, reducing its emissions by over 80%. Another example is the development of hydrogen fuel cells, which can be powered by natural gas and produce only water and heat as emissions. These advancements demonstrate how gas plants can contribute to reducing carbon emissions and supporting renewable energy integration. In conclusion, gas plants do have a role to play in powering our future, but it's not a straightforward answer. We need to balance our immediate energy needs with long-term sustainability goals. By exploring new technologies and strategies, like carbon capture and hydrogen fuel cells, we can make gas plants a more sustainable part of the energy mix. So, what do you think? Do gas plants hold the key to powering our future? Share your opinions in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the latest innovations in renewable energy, be sure to check out my next video.
Join me as I dive deep into the world of gas plants and try to figure out what really makes them tick. Gas plants are a crucial part of our energy landscape, providing reliable power to millions of homes and businesses. They're often overlooked, but their importance can't be overstated. Without them, our energy grid would be much more vulnerable to fluctuations in supply and demand. So, what makes these plants tick? One of the biggest challenges facing gas plants is the growing concern about their environmental impact. As we learn more about climate change and air pollution, it's clear that gas plants need to adapt to meet new standards. They're under pressure to reduce their emissions and minimize their footprint. This isn't just about meeting regulations, it's about being part of a sustainable energy future. Modernization is also a key challenge for gas plants. Many of these facilities have been around for decades and they're in need of an upgrade. New technologies can help them run more efficiently and cleanly, but integrating these innovations can be a complex process.
Share your thoughts in the comments, like if you love it, and subscribe for more content.
Plant operators need to balance the cost of upgrades with the need to keep providing reliable power. Another challenge is the public perception of gas plants. Some people view them as outdated or dirty, and that's not always fair. Gas plants have evolved significantly over the years, and they're often cleaner and more efficient than other fossil fuel-based power sources. It's essential to have a nuanced conversation about their role in our energy mix. The process of generating energy at a gas plant is fascinating. It typically involves burning natural gas or other fuels to produce steam, which then drives a turbine to generate electricity. The type of gas used can vary, but natural gas is the most common. It's a relatively clean-burning fuel, but there are still emissions to consider. Advancements in technology have improved the efficiency of gas plants significantly. Combined cycle plants, for example, use both gas and steam turbines to generate electricity, which can boost efficiency to over 60%. That's a significant improvement over older plants. There are also innovations in fuel processing and emissions control that are helping to reduce the environmental impact of gas plants. Some of the most innovative solutions being implemented in gas plants today involve carbon capture and storage. These technologies can capture CO2 emissions before they're released into the atmosphere and then store them underground. It's still a developing field, but it has the potential to make a big difference. Other innovations include more efficient turbine designs and advanced monitoring systems. Digitalization is also transforming the way gas plants operate. With the help of data analytics and artificial intelligence, plant operators can optimize their performance in real time. This enables them to predict maintenance needs, reduce downtime, and improve overall efficiency. Digitalization is also transforming the way gas plants operate. With the help of data analytics and artificial intelligence, plant operators can optimize their performance in real time. This enables them to predict maintenance needs, reduce downtime, and improve overall efficiency. It's an exciting time for the industry, with many new technologies on the horizon. In conclusion, gas plants play a vital role in our energy landscape, and their significance won't diminish anytime soon. They're evolving to meet the challenges of the 21st century, and it's essential to recognize their importance. As we move forward, we need to continue innovating and finding ways to make them cleaner, more efficient, and more sustainable.